So I got those shoes in Ostrakhan for $25. That's amazing. What's up, frugal people? My name is Andrei Jikh. Welcome to Money Monday, and I just got back from Russia 12 hours ago. Look at this shirt my girlfriend got me. Back to the Future, the greatest trilogy of all time. I have a lot to do today. I have a video for a client. Also, I have to go to my friend Patrick's house to film a Kickstarter video, and in the middle of all that, we're gonna get to the stock, but first, we gotta take care of some things. All right.
Hello?
Yo, man, I'm almost at your house.
Oh, what?
Oh, what? Yeah, I don't have time today other than before I go.
Okay. Alright. Let me get ready then.
All right, I'll see you in like 10 minutes.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, yeah, bye-bye. I wasn't kidding. This is how early it is. But it's the only time that we can actually film the update today for me. So I wanted to be able to show you guys a cooler video of what I did in Russia, but I just don't think I'm gonna have time to do it justice. So I'm doing a quick video today for Money Monday, and then next week is gonna be the dopest video ever. And then the following one after that will also be a super cool video. So I'm excited to show you that, but just running short on time today. We did it. Oh, snap. Wow. Alright, we're ready. Kickstarter update. Number, I don't even know what number it is. Excuse the bad hair day. But come on. Back to the Future shirt though. Isn't that great? I love it. Let's take a look at it. Okay guys, so this is the update for our backers that we're gonna send out. This is the Bitcoin. Check this out. Have you heard about it? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, everyone's talking about it. Digital peer-to-peer cash all over the world. Well, you can actually show it to somebody. And I wanna show you, this is super cool. Because right now, this is why it's called Bitcoin. It's not bit yet. Not Bitcoin. Ready? 3, 2, and it's restored back to its original form. And at this point, you can actually hand it out for examination because the coin has already been switched. At this point, they can take it out themselves or you can hand it to them and the coin is good to be examined. That's the Bitcoin Bytecoin. All right, so Robinhood, let's look up CVS. I'm gonna click CVS and CVS, it's a 78% buy on Robinhood. So CVS's dividend yield is 2.76% as of this time, which is a little bit on the lower side. But during the next 5 years, because CVS's payout ratio is so small and their cash flow is so high, that over the next 5 years or so, their dividend yields are going to be increased by high single digits or maybe even double-digit growth rates, which is why it's a great buy right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my shares. I'm gonna put, you know what? I'm gonna put maybe 5 shares of CVS. You guys can do whatever you want. Hit review, swipe up, and that's it. It is purchased. Bam. You guys can do the same thing. Also, I've had CVS from like years ago, and it was down for me for like 15%, which is a great time to rebuy when it's at least 10% or lower. Remember, the best time to buy shares is, let's say you bought something and then you realize it went 10% down. Don't fret, that is the best time to buy it. That is a good psychological mentality to have. It's called averaging down, and that is when you buy something and then over time, it decreases in percentage points. For me, typically, I will rebuy a stock unless I find another better opportunity when it is at least 10% or lower. So if it's dropped for me 10%, I will rebuy the stock because if I bought it for the long term, chances are the fundamentals have not changed. So get into the habit of getting used to seeing, like, if your stocks are down, to repurchase a share or two when it gets lower. Good practice. So last week also I couldn't buy Altria, so I'm gonna do that as well. Oh man, it's 6%. See, I was a little bit late, so now I am 1% less. So I'm still gonna buy it though. I'm gonna buy 5 shares of MO, and boom, it is done. Now the stock have been purchased. That's that. CVS this week. Last week was MO, which was Altria. Thank you guys so much for watching.